Hello everybody, I am Maryna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'd love to teach you top 15 phrases to how you doing in Russian. If you are interested, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. The first one. Хорошо. I'm good. Как дела? Хорошо. The next one. Totally opposite. Плохо. Плохо. Как дела? Bad. So плохо means bad. Плохо. Как дела? Oh, плохо. Alright, I hope everything is хорошо with you, okay? So, we have after плохо, неплохо. And we have not bad. Not bad. I like this one. So take a look. Как дела? Неплохо. Okay, this one has positive connotations, so you can use it whenever you feel like it. Okay. And next we have Отлично. Отлично. Awesome. Or you can say I feel great. So this one, take a look. Отлично. Awesome. Как дела? Отлично. Отлично. Oh, this one is really good, yeah? You can use either отлично or прекрасно. Прекрасно. Awesome, or you can say great. Как дела? Прекрасно. Okay, and take a look. If you don't feel прекрасно, you can say ужасно. Ужасно. Ужасно means horrible. Okay. The next we have все okay. Все means everything. Okay, I think it's obvious, yeah? Все okay. Все okay. Everything is alright. Все okay. Как дела? Все okay. Or you can say okay. So either everything is okay or just okay. The next gonna be Лучше всех. Лучше всех. Better than anybody. Лучше всех. Please follow me. Лучше means better. Всех. Anybody, yeah? Лучше всех. Как дела? Лучше всех. So everything is really perfect in your life and you just, like you can't complain about it. So you can say лучше всех. Alright, and the next gonna be like everything is alright, okay? Alright, you can say нормально. Нормально. Please repeat. Нормально, нормально, нормально. Как дела? Нормально. Would you like to hear a slang word? I hope so. So it's gonna be норм. Как дела? Норм. Норм. Let's repeat with me. Норм, норм, норм. Как дела? Норм.
Как дела? Супер.
If everything is alright with you, everything is like awesome, yes? You feel really good. Then you can compare your life with a fairy tale. Why not, right? We also can compare it in Russian. If I'm gonna ask you, как дела? You can say, как в сказке. Как в сказке means as in a fairy tale. This one is really beautiful, isn't it? Как в сказке. I hope your life is as in a fairy tale, как в сказке. Let me know about it in the comments below. Is it как в сказке or not? Okay, the next one, take a look, gonna be Вашими молитвами. Thanks for your prayers. Вашими means yours, prayers, молитвами. Thanks for your prayers. Как дела? Вашими молитвами. Let's repeat with me one more time. Как дела? Вашими молитвами. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which phrase would you like to use next time and which is your favorite so far, okay? Thank you and see you very soon. Bye bye. Пока.